Are you using Quick Access Toolbar within MS Excel? If you are not, then you are missing out one of the important feature of Excel. In this video, let me show you how can you use Quick Access Toolbar and how that can help you to improve your productivity. If you follow my mouse here, you will be able to see there are multiple icons I added in my title bar. While this looks bit cluttered, however, there is an option using which you can move it below the ribbon. Let me show you. If you click on this little drop down, there you will be getting one option that is show below the ribbon. So if you click there, you will be able to see now all these icons are visible here. What I do normally whenever I am working in Excel, PowerPoint or Word or any of the MS Office applications, I keep this particular menu item hidden all the time. If you click on this little arrow, it will hide. And now you can see you have more space to work. Specifically, if you are using a laptop or maybe a smaller screen, this particular option is very useful. Now let me show you few of the options here, how you can move and you can play around with this Quick Access Toolbar. You can see already I have added some of the icons which I use very often and during whenever I'm working in any Excel. Just one example, maybe you will be able to relate. I have 3 icons added here. One to add borders in all the cells, and very next one is to remove border from all the cells, and another one is for the thick borders. Whenever I'm working in Excel, I use all these features very often. That's why I added in the Quick Access Toolbar. Now let me show you what can you do also. Now there are a couple of options using which you can add a particular icon to your Quick Access Toolbar. How to do that? Let me show you the easiest one first. If you have your menu bar already visible, there if you want to add any specific icon to your Quick Access Toolbar, then you just need to right click on that and you will be getting one option that add to Quick Access Toolbar. You can see this particular option is grayed out because I have already added it in my Quick Access Toolbar. So now if I click on anything which is not part of that, maybe cart, you will be able to see this add to Quick Access Toolbar is enabled. So if I click on that, it will get added to my Quick Access Toolbar. Let me do that. I have done it. Now you can see in the end of my Quick Access Toolbar, this particular icon got added. You can just right click here. If you want to remove, you can just remove it. Now let me show you the other option using which you can customize your Quick Access Toolbar. You just need to click on this little drop down and there you will be able to see one option that is more commands. Once you click on that, all those commands which are available within MS Excel, those are listed here. You just need to ensure that you are clicking on this drop down and you are clicking on all commands. Then all those options will be visible in this particular pane, and from there you will be able to select the option you are looking for. Now you can see that it's got populated and whatever, all those options are available here. What you just need to do, if you want to add anything in your Quick Access Toolbar, you just need to select that option and then you need to click on add. Then it will get added to the right pane and this particular list. If you want to change order of any of the icons, you can just select that and using this up and down arrow, you will be able to move it upwards or downwards. Once this is done, then you can click on OK. Now another thing very important here, there may be some of the scenarios where maybe you are using this Quick Access Toolbar all the time and you got a new computer and there you are not able to find it. So there is a way to export this entire Quick Access Toolbar there. So let me show you how. If you follow my mouse, you will be able to find one option that is import or export. If you click on this drop down, you will be able to see that option that is export all customizations. So if you click on that, then a new pop-up will come where you will be getting an option to save this particular file in a different format. You can see this exported Office UI files you can export. And once I do that, let me do that and let me click on save. So now this is saved. So what I just need to do, I need to just take this particular file in a new system and wherever I wanted to export it, and there I need to import that particular file. So that's the only thing I need to do. Now let me show you how you can use this particular feature in a different computer. Before that, if you want to reset all of your customization and this Quick Access Toolbar, you can just go to this reset drop down and there you can click on reset all customizations. So what it will do, it will clear everything. So now let me do one thing. Let me clear all of my customization so that I can show you how can you import. Again, if you follow my mouse and I click on this little drop down and I go to more commands, then I'll be getting one option that is reset. If I click on this drop down, you will be able to see one option that reset only quick access toolbar. If you wanted to clear everything, that's a different thing, but here I wanted to just clear the quick access toolbar, and let me show you how you can import it again. So let me click on that. You can see there is a prompt came and it's alerting if you really wanted to do it. Let me click on yes. Now if I click OK, you'll be able to see only these few options which are there and which normally comes by default. Maybe if you are not using quick access toolbar, you are getting this particular view. So what you can do now, if you click on this drop down again and go to more commands, and there you click on this import export. Now if I click on this import customization file, it will give me a prompt, and from there I will be able to choose the file. Let me select that, and if I click open, now again it will come, and now it's giving an alert that it's going to replace what are the existing customizations are already there. So let me go ahead with that. You can see now everything came back. Earlier I cleared it, and again if I click on this little drop down and I click on show below the ribbon, now all of my customizations are back. And this is the way if you wanted to move all of your customizations to a different computer whenever you are using Excel, this is the way you can follow. Hope you will be able to utilize this particular feature, and this will help you to speed up your workflow. I have also added 2 more Excel related tips video which I published earlier in the end card. If you are interested, check those out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you wanted to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.